Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Annie. If you've been before, hey! If this is your first time, warm welcome. I hope you are doing fabulous today. Now, I'm here with a drink, and at this moment I'm really enjoying the pomegranate juice. This is 100% pomegranate juice. It's quite concentrated, so I tend to kind of a quarter of the juice and then 3/4 water. Really enjoying this. I hope you have a drink going for yourself. And yeah, today it's going to be a different video, kind of a chit chat, sit down and catch up. Really just give you an idea of where I started, where I am at this moment, and where I'm trying to head with in regards rather to my YouTube channel. So wow, today autumn is definitely in the air. It's been on and off raining, quite cloudy at this time, and so things are changing in regards to the season, but nonetheless I'm still here trying. Okay, now when it comes to my brand new little YouTube channel, it's something that I had in my mind a couple of years ago, watching other content creators doing things on YouTube, Facebook, or other social media platforms. I always thought that, maybe I could give this a go. Maybe I could try it. My husband, bless him, he is my greatest supporter, my greatest cheerleader, and he is with me in this journey, alongside me in this journey, and he is my rock. He's really helping me, to keep my sanity. But really, I am enjoying this journey. There are days when, obviously, I doubt myself, I question myself if I can really do this, and the answer is yes. I'm trying to put my mind into it as much as my heart, and I feel like if I'm doing things that I love and enjoy, it doesn't feel like work, right? Anyway, my husband is definitely more techie than I am. He's more into his technology and things like that, whereas I am a more of a crafty, hands-on, decorating kind of girl. So I guess we are a good match, okay, a good pair. So he is showing me a lot of things in regards to sitting down, editing, and things like that. And it's a learning process like everything else in life. Anyway, so yeah, guys, I thought today I'd just sit down and have this little chat in regards to the content that I would like to produce, to bring to you guys. And this depends a lot on the space that I have available to work with, as well as the weather. Okay, as you all might know, I live in the south of England, and the UK is known for rain and more rain. Although this summer, thank you Jesus, we have been blessed with really warm summer, very dry. In fact, my plants, the grass as well, in our garden has really struggled this year because it was so dry, unusually dry. Okay, even during summertime, it can be wet in the UK, but this year it's been really dry, and I am not complaining. Okay, but anyway, the rainy season is slowly coming in. Last weekend it rained on and off all day, all night, and again today very cloudy, very windy. So yeah, autumn is definitely in the air. I've mentioned before, I am an autumn girl. I love autumn. It is my season, but I love autumn when it's dry. So fingers crossed, autumn will be somewhat dry this year. Now, yeah, I am struggling in a little bit, in a way, basically, to step outside and do the contents that I've been doing over the summer period. I was able to enjoy my garden. If you've seen my previous videos where I was sorting out my garden, planting, my husband and I, we did a gorgeous deck together. We built a gorgeous little deck together. If you have not seen this video, you can go back and check it out. So yeah, I have really enjoyed summer. I have enjoyed being outside, but now I have to kind of readjust myself and see what other contents I can bring that does not involve me being outside in the garden, for example. I mean, I can still go out into the shops, which I am planning on doing anyway, but seasonally, okay? Maybe go out and see what the stores are bringing in for autumn, around Christmas time, but I am not going to do that weekly or even monthly basis. But anyway, we will see. Okay, maybe you guys can suggest on you know, things that I can do, places that I can go and visit. I am definitely going to bring in some cozy DIYs indoors. My husband and I, we are also currently discussing on DIYs that we would like to do together, and that would be obviously around a home. Okay. Now, I am an army wife. Okay, my husband is a serving army personnel, and the property that we live in, we have been living here for many months now, and it is a very small home, but it is enough for the two of us. Okay, there's just himself and I. My husband, with his job, sometimes he travels a lot, and a lot of the time I am here by myself. So the space that we have is enough for the two of us, right? The property itself is not a new house. There's a lot of issues that comes with an old house, as you can expect, but we make it work. Okay, we understand that this is not our home, fine, but when we are living here, we have decided to be comfortable. Okay, we have decided to do things to make it more enjoyable living here. And the things that we do here, obviously, we have to respect the contract that my husband has with his job. There are certain things that we can do to the property, and there are things that we cannot. So when we march in army term, when we move into the property, they obviously let us know about what we can do and what we cannot do. But still, yeah, like I say, we want to be comfortable here. I am very much of a visual person. We both work so hard, and when we come home, we want to come to a beautiful and comfortable home. So yeah, we've done little things here and there to make that happen. All right. So as well as outside in the garden, similar kind of thing. There are certain things we can do and certain things we cannot do. Therefore, when we march out of the property, when we leave the property, we have to hand it back to the army the same way they gave it to us, the same way it was when we moved in, when we marched in. Okay? So now going back on the contents that I would like to bring to you moving forward. Yeah, like I say, it will be a little bit more cozy crafts and little DIYs around the home. Okay, and yeah, do please drop a comment, share some ideas that might interest you. Okay, moving forward. Anyway, guys, the weather is turning. Yeah, it's starting to rain now, and it can be. I hope it's not too dark for you. Maybe I might need the light or not. But anyway, yeah. So when it comes to DIYs alongside my husband, we will kind of mix things up a little bit. Obviously, you would see a little bit more of me, and then every now and then we will do a little couples collab. And yeah, like I said, we've discussed and we've shared ideas and opinions about different little DIY tasks that we've planned and are working on producing over the couple next coming month or so. It's just that trying to find the space to do it. Okay, so yeah, I hope you will enjoy these contents coming from myself, and obviously when my husband joined me as well. Okay, now our kitchen needs a little bit of a DIY, a little bit of a tidy over. I would definitely appreciate some more shelves and storage compartments. I guess you can never have enough storage facilities. So that's something that I would like to work alongside with my husband in the coming few months to kind of organize our kitchen a little bit more, just have more space. Okay. We do have an outside garage that comes with the property. Obviously, it was originally for a car, but in the UK, most people don't use their garages for their cars. First of all, the garages that they built is from the 1940s, and yeah, it's from the 1940s because the sizes of cars that are being produced nowadays are way too big. They can never fit the garages. Okay, so most people's cars, like my car for example, will fit in the garage, but I will not be able to open the door and get out. So yeah, pointless, useless. Okay, so most people like us use garages for storage, right? And that's what we do. We have filled up the garage with things and things and more things. But yeah, we also want to go out there and just do a good tidy over. I believe early this year we went to Costco and we picked up a few shelves, and we have tidied one side of the garage. Now we need to tackle the other side. So guys, let me know if that's something you'll be interested to see, okay, when we get to that. And then yeah, again, just general little bits and things that needs sorting out around the home, and just little cute DIYs from myself. Okay, I think that would be all. Again, I just want to say thank you so much, you know, for watching my video. Thank you for your support. If you have left a comment before, thank you so much for interacting with me, and I hope that more of you will leave a comment and, like I say, some suggestions. That would be greatly appreciated. All right, let me have another sip of my pomegranate juice, and I think I will wrap up, guys. Like I said, this is a very short little chit chat video. I will wrap up, and I will catch up with you some other time. What time is it now? It's coming up to 6:30. I'm going to get some dinner ready. I've had a good lunch today, so something very light for dinner tonight. I'm going to work on doing some editing alongside husband as well, and hopefully have a quiet evening. So again, thank you so very much for sitting down with me, and I will see you some other time. And like I always say, guys, get out there and do what? Do what you love. Okay? Until next time, take care of yourself. Take care of your loved ones. I will catch you some other time. Bye for now.